Hi, it's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen.
Hi, I'm Joy.
Today we're making ice cream pie. The ice cream pie could not be easier. It's just Oreos, ice cream, and chocolate sauce.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
We're gonna line the spring form pan with tin foil, but the best is to use non-stick foil, but we just didn't have it.
We don't have it, yeah.
No.
So we're just gonna use regular foil. So we're just gonna hope it doesn't stick. So now we have our pan ready.
Lay these aside.
The ice cream pie has 2 layers of chocolate sandwich cookies. We're going to crush them in their own bags so you don't have to measure out after you've crushed because they make a mess. I'm gonna use the double stuff because the extra cream helps make the crust stick together a little bit better. You don't want to do this in the food processor. So you can use a rolling pin. We didn't have a rolling pin, so we're gonna use a large spoon.
Woo!
We're gonna put our first layer of cookies down.
A lot of times the cream gets stuck to the bag.
Yeah, so you can just get a spoon and scrape it out.
You gotta pack it in firmly and so like it doesn't fall off.
I like to drizzle a little bit of the sauce on top of the crust before we add ice cream.
It's time for the ice cream. You want to make sure that the ice cream is softened so it's not too hard to get out. You can do different flavors, but our 2 flavors are vanilla and chocolate.
And then top it with chocolate sauce.
Now the cookie crumble.
You wanna do it?
Yes, I will do the honors. Now this looks like a pie. It's coming to life.
The nice thing about this ice cream pie is it doesn't have to be pretty.
Next, we have the vanilla. How's it going?
Oh, no.
Going good.
Doing good. For our topping, we're gonna do chopped up pretzels and more chocolate sauce. You can also just add up extra chopped Oreos if you wanted.
Looks pretty tasty to eat.
Then we're gonna pop it back in the freezer so it can become solid again.
Yummy.
For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share.
We're gonna yummy, yum, 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 yum. Real cold.
The non-stick spoil.
Yum, 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 yum.
We're gonna line our, what is this? Springform pan.
Whee!
We're gonna line, okay, of course. Shh. Whoa, those almost fell out. Mother of pearl. What was that? Oh, a firework, great.
You want all that yumminess get inside? You want the slice? You got this slice. You get the recipe slice. Oh, it's not too soupy. It's not too soupy. Some chocolate syrup. Oh yeah.